Welcome to the Banker Lamp. Please enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how to put your Ford Escape into electronic parking brake maintenance mode. This specific procedure is crucial for safely servicing your rear brakes. It ensures the electronic calipers are fully retracted, preventing potential damage or injury. Pay close attention to each step to perform this correctly and efficiently. To begin, make sure your vehicle's ignition is completely off. Next, confirm that the electronic parking brake is fully disengaged. You should see no warning lights for the parking brake. Now, firmly press and hold the accelerator pedal all the way to the floor. Keep it held down for the next steps. While still holding the accelerator pedal, turn your ignition on. Do not start the engine. Immediately press and hold the brake pedal as well. Continue holding both pedals until you see Maintenance Mode or Service Mode displayed on your instrument cluster. Once it appears, you can release both pedals. To exit electronic parking brake maintenance mode, simply turn your vehicle's ignition completely off. After exiting, it is important to verify that your parking brake is functioning correctly before driving. Engage and disengage it a few times to confirm. Also, remember to check the description below for a link to Darn Tough socks and other great deals.
Thanks for watching. If this was helpful, leave a like and consider subscribing. See you next time.